Hello guys, it's your girl Promise World. I don't come again. Now good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever now they watch me from. If you never subscribe to this channel, I beg you subscribe, on a notification bell. Anything when I upload nowadays, now be the first people first see. If now just they pass by and see jam my channel, na try na subscribe. Thank you. So I come. Today topic be say I can't talk many things today. Many things they want I can't talk, many gist they want never talk. So combine together, me I talk and today. So you get one where I just they pass by internet today, so I can't see his channel. So now President Buhari when they wear mask for ear na neck the tie mask put. We not gonna be say wait you now the kind of the talk not true because I never see a person go tie. Not only one don't see say don't tie a mask for neck instead of ear. So come put oxygen for make they breathe. So this kind of Buhari young my Buhari be don't old before, but this one na young Buhari we not come know e go na the real one or na the maybe they don't go do surgery for it don't young back. So they come ask a question. Where do you want me the administration be now when e don come back? He say one perfect continuity. Oh my goodness, don't the job president for Nigeria. He want perfect continuity. Can you imagine? But when I want to see the video, when I watch, when I see what make me dey laugh. So the question, simple question when they ask her. Oh my goodness.
Your well-deserved rest in London. What will Nigerians expect from your administration going forward?
Continuity.
Now here, now here we for talk. I say more perfect continuity. Now here want for the country, for the administration, as it don't come back to perfect continuity for Nigeria. So perfect continuity for the bandit and all of the source how they shoot people die. And now be the perfect continuity. Now you want that to the death should continue. Now what you gonna tell me? I be not what you gonna tell me. So if I think otherwise, more gonna leave una comments for the comment section. No, enter the other news. The update on it. One song I want to talk about so now. DJ Copy. Na him talking. He say sometimes you are never going to make people to be happy because they are unhappy with themselves. Yeah, sometimes no matter what you do, you know if you make people they happy. Never. They will still tell you say you not do. If you like carry your head now for ground for them, they will still tell you say you not do anything because they know they happy with themselves. Their heart are dirty. They know they happy with themselves. How they want to happy with you? Whether you do this one, you not do the one, how they want to happy with you? She knows. Let me and she come outside, come talk and say, even though she even see win the Grammy award that time. Still yet, they will still say DJ Copy not deserve the Grammy award. So anything, what this matter you anyway before I talk for the matter, be say wanna watch the video, wanna hear what you talk for the matter.
Yeah, don't live your life for other people's acceptance. They will literally sometimes never accept you. And just accept that. Don't let them kill you. Don't let them put you down. Don't let them take away from you. Do what you're doing. It's really important. Or there's just some people, no matter how much you do. Guys, I could literally win a Grammy and there'll still be people not feeling like Copy is good enough. Or, you know, and that's why I do things, because they feel good, they make me happy. I'm adding impact and value, helping other people. That's why philanthropy is so important to me. And I think another really important message as well is, you know, realizing that sometimes you're never going to make people happy because they're unhappy with themselves. And I'm realizing that.
Nahira, so you can never make people to be happy, never. What you just need to say, you do your things the way you they do my own now. If you like you wash, you like no wash, and now your business with that. Now what will make me happy now they do. Now what will give me joy now they do. So if you can't say because you know me, no one wash with I post. Okay, other people can't wash them. So now be live. Make yourself happy. Leave people, leave what people won't talk, leave what people won't do. You make yourself happy. Now it matter for this life. Love yourself. do the one wey you fit do, leave the one wey you no go fit do. Na wetin this life be. So na wetin me I come talk for this DJ Cuppy matter. So you no fit make everybody happy, you no fit make everybody like you, no fit make everybody love you. So love yourself while others will love you. Na be the koko for this matter when I come talk today. So mo enter, if you na like wetin I talk or like wetin DJ Cuppy talk, mo na leave na comment for the comment section. Mo go to the other news. So this matter when I bring come today be say na domestic abuse. So e get one lady when I just see for Insta blog today, Insta blog Naija, say with the boyfriend they quarrel. The title be say after years of domestic abuse, lady stand up to her boyfriend in Delta State. Delta State people, I don't know wetin dey worry them. They like to dey beat woman too much. Imagine no, after I don beat the woman, the woman even provoke, the way the woman even take do am, I even like am. Since na do me I do you, na e good for, e not good for marriage. Na do man say make you come dey do am. Cause this kind men na wetin good for them. See, you know, any small thing, the woman, if they do their all these people, so all these boys when they beat woman, when they always beat woman, if they do their ear, no they hear am. But the day when the woman stand up talk, they say the woman no get character, the woman no good, I no go fit marry you, I no go fit do this one. But what na they do now, no look on yourself for mirror, so no get character. The thing one they do is very bad. Why they always be like that? They only ask this question. Now make the woman stand up to her. Since you know she not good for marriage. Na do me I do you. Na ain't good for na body. Na make you consider how they do her now. Let me do woman stand up. More na watch video. More na see where the man, the woman, even the bunny will get shame for her. More na watch the video.
They talk. No, they video myself too. Oh yeah, they talk. Because you know if you marry me, Abi. Oh yeah now. They talk. Oh yeah.
Why they put video?
Oh yeah.
You know why?
And they put on. They talk. They talk.
You lose respect.
I don't get scarce. Yes, so I don't get respect before. I don't get. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. They talk. They talk.
Come on, get up.
They talk now.
Come my front.
They talk. They talk. Siam. Act of violence. Act of violence. Siam. Act of violence.
Now don't see the video. Even the boy can even see the beat, and when the boy gets the whole camera phone and the video run. All this kind of when we say a woman would they talk, they follow the sit down bereke, they follow they argue. And this woman, they don't say nobody will know say woman na mad, they talk, they shout. If na man wey if this boy go school, really go school, you know, in fact he not go school. And this woman when we do this thing, and correct it go waka leave am. Before you can do my man don't come down. No, all these Delta State boys, they go sit down berekete. They won't follow you, they argue. They want to follow you, they pump power together. Now see them, young boy for that matter, and I be this one so. One woman now will still come marry and I say don't marry responsible man. You not good for you get not good for marriage again. Abi, you not good for marriage. Now for do me I do you now for good. You not get character now because you don't stand up to you now say what you are doing wrong, say don't tire for you. Me you can't do one. See now that one I meet for how many years. Now what you say me I can't get what I get to talk about this matter. So if you not get any opinion, get anything when I want to talk for this matter, I'm gonna leave on the comment section so that anytime when I go there, I go look na comment, I'll see comments and take talk for you. Gonna procure to anything when I see now I will talk. So if I see what is wrong, I will talk. If I see what is right, I will talk. And I saw my blog because I did here on the share. We are here for sharing. Talk your mind, I will talk my mind. No offense. So we'll go to the other news. This video be say when I want talk about. So now one man EEDC man when he slap pregnant woman. Why you go even slap woman for the first time? Now God say no, if I be president of that country, of that Nigeria country, when for they go prison one by you slap pregnant woman, you go pay that woman, you go tire. And if I be president of that country, say they know what they do or juju. No, anybody went by mistake swear will go prison. And who wrong you? Can go court? Go court Georgia. Shitina. Why you go even snap pregnant woman for you? You will even see get wife. Now me your wife na punch it back for us be that. See if you slap another man wife when you get belle. No matter what that woman will do you go report am to the head of the person wey dey here for that place, or they'll carry the woman comot for the class for you. You go slap pregnant woman. Now husband come now. Come dey beat the man. Why they hold the man? Why they not even make good? See the man sabi fight, we sabi slap. May follow the woman husband fight. So those of them when you ever watch the video. Una see the video. Get the man, the woman, the man husband for come won't deal with the man. They can't hold the man. Why they go hold am? Shebi is a bit fight, it's a bit throw blow, it's a bit beat woman. May beat the fellow man and they hold am. They hold am. Woman beat her. You want to slap another man wife when you get better. Your wife, you just going to push it back for us. All this men, now need to go prison for Nigeria. No, you hang good. And they talk kind of a prison for that Nigeria. If your wife slap, if your wife do something, you cannot go court. They go call with judge, and if the woman wrong, you go either go prison for it, or you go pay for the damages. Shikina, if woman slap man, say the man do something, slap man, they go really, you cannot go court. Law can say, see what did the woman do you? When make see what did the woman, see what did the man do the woman make us. If what did the man do the woman, not read anything for the woman to slap her, the woman will go for it. But if the man, if that thing reach the woman to slap them, what did the man do? The man will still pay put. Now what is supposed to do? Because all this swear, curse, this one, I'll kill you, you do this. You know they work. You know they work. You pay put. You will pay put. So now what I say, I can't get. Now what I want to talk for this one that when I want to be maybe when I want to be the slap another person's wife. That muna all wife for us and I punch it back and now they deal with them. Now they use blood to scatter their teeth. All this woman bitter. Man not go school, man go learn. So what I say, I can't talk for this matter today. So now let I talk. When I leave in a comment for the comment section. No enter another news. This matter weak me, oh. This one weak me. So I guys come and I see reality star TV. Oh, now I come out as so. Ike. Oyema. Now I come and say they ask some question. What be the thing when we say make a happy pass for life? You know what it do? It's a happier moment in life was when I got out of my last relationship. And what did it talk? You say happy moment of your life. Now when you come up for a last relationship, because that means the baby like relationship you won't kill. I don't know how woman they run for relationship. I don't think man they run for relationship. This is like me jam the egg with giant inside. The matter, it wake me oh. We say the happy moment of your life. Now when you dey run for relationship, because truly you get to carry relationship when you go there. May you come on, then you go your day. And if you come on, you know if you thank God. You know if you thank God. So kind relationship na hair. You go dey think, you no go dey happy. Go, you no go gree go. Come, you no go gree come. Anything make the person by mistake say I won't go. The way your blood will take come down, everything will come down for your body. So relationship, it just good say make they separate. Better person you your days because either the woman or the kiss or the man or the kiss. I not be like this man talk. The happier moment of your life, and when you come up for a last relationship, because this is last relationship in a head to run. Maybe now if you want to get woman, it will come settle down. So those of them we never hear wait for the talk and the video, wanna watch them.
My happiest moment in life was when I got out of my last relationship. Yep. Freedom is something that you just can't pay for, man. It's priceless.
Now we can hear when you talk and so Oga, next time if you want enter a relationship, so if you look well before you enter. Okay, look well before you enter. So that means not to go jam another. You know so now when you don't see they get money, now you see nyash. You get figure 8, you get figure chest. Now they won't follow. So they say there are so many fish in the river, but crayfish not join no. So mona dey wash or go wash well next time if you want get another girlfriend, another wife, anyone for inside. And what be the advice when I can't give you today? So if na anything when I reason for this matter, mona leave am for the comment section. This matter, so if I say so many people for that Nigeria, they don't know what to be school. They just connection thing enter force. So get one man when camera cash when they piece for near this and the place that they write don't urinate. He said don't urinate here again. Now what is the write for the place so? But the man that place when they write and put so now they can go the piece put. And they say they no piece for there. They write and put no do not urinate here again. Now what is the write put for the wall of the house with the fence so the man wants to go there now he can't still go the piece. So those of when never watch the video, I'm not watching. I'm not Twitter they talking.
Last man, do not urinate here. You dey piece for there. Look at Nigeria. You know feel better. Do not urinate here again. Last man.
Now see ya. That's what they talking about. I just an officer. Last man officer. Now condition just dey enter so you no read them. You no feel read. Because I wish if you read, if you don't see they know the piece for there, they write and put for there, say, make them no piece. Not urinate for there. They make them not urinate for there. It's because you go the piece for this. That place, that particular place when they write and put, they go the piece put. No be wahala Nigeria this so. Wahala. Now mean they who no go school they put them on for because say my brother did them, my uncle brother did all of they enter force. When they carry they shoot people anyhow so school they no go ABC they no fit read they no fit pronounce their name say they say when they can't speak English before they will say when they speak English they mistake before they will say the dog shoot am they don't shoot the person die because they no fit speak they no fit explain themselves they will shoot. So na wetin I see my con talk when I look the man and a problem when they carry the waka for the Nigeria. So if anything when I read for this matter I'm gonna leave am for the comment section. For end my video for today. See you for my next video. If you never subscribe to this channel, please try make you subscribe. And if you don't subscribe, God bless you and thanks for watching. Please share this my video, like and comment. Please support me. I tell you, I want to support me too. I want to subscribe for my channel. For my old subscriber, I thank all of you. I want to subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless you all. Bye bye. Ciao. See you for my next video. Wow. Peace out.